Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna talk about what is Rollercoin, how you can use Rollercoin, how you can make money with Rollercoin, and how you can withdraw your money on Rollercoin. First of all, what is Rollercoin? Rollercoin is basically a virtual mining simulator, so you can mine Bitcoin, Ethereum by playing this game. So let's see for ourselves. So when we enter Rollercoin, we see this. By the way, if you sign into Rollercoin with someone's invitation link, you start with some extra Bitcoins. As you can see, I have some extra Bitcoins. If you don't sign up with someone's invitation link, you start from zero. I mean, it's up to you to choose, but my invitation links are in the description and are on the comment section, so if you want, you can sign up with my link for some extra Bitcoins. Anyways, when we enter the Rollercoin, we see a page like this. You can create your own character. You see mine, it's a bad boy. I can create my own character. I love creating characters. Oh, there are a lot of things to choose. I think that's good. After that, on the left panel, we see our electricity. I'm gonna come to that later. Under the electricity, we see our power. Basically, that's our mining speed. I'm mining with 23,000. And to increase that, you have two options. First, you can go to the store section and you can buy some miners. The second option is to come to the games section and play some games and increase your mining speed. The higher is our mining speed, the fastest and the more money we can make. If you're wondering what the network power is, let me explain it to you briefly. So basically, these numbers show what users at the moment mine. So most of the users at the moment mine Bitcoin, then RLT token, then Ethereum, then BNB, Matic. So most of the people right now are mining Bitcoin. And lastly, there is your block reward. That's the money you make every 5 minutes. The reward that you get every 5 minutes. So at the moment, I'm getting 0.000022 RLT tokens every 5 minutes. But what if you don't want RLT token? What if you want maybe Doge? For that, you go to my power and from here you click split power. So from this screen you can split your power. Let's say I don't want any roller token. I want 50% Bitcoin, 25% Ethereum and 25% Dogecoin. You can do that. I mean, I can't do that right now because I just changed my power, and you can split your power only once in every 12 hours. So I have to wait another 12 hours so I can split my power again. But right now I'm gonna leave it as it is. I mean, I think you should mine roller token anyways, because like that's the main token. You can do everything with that token, to buy miners, to buy shelves, everything you do by roller token. I think we got the left panel. Now let's take a closer look at the above panels. From here we can go to the store, and from the store you can see the weekly offer, the event pass. Basically it's like a battle pass if you play video games, which you can get some free items when you level up, or if you want you can get also paid items. But the most important, you can get miners, which those miners are mining without needing you to play games to increase your mining speed. So if I buy this miner for 99 RLT token, like just I said, you will gain 110,000 GHS. But also you can buy the miners alone. Like you also need to buy racks, like rigs, to put the miners on. So firstly you need to buy a rack like this one or this one, and then buy the miner so you can put the miner on a rack. If you want, you can open also loot boxes, buy some parts. Now the most important part is the games part, where you can play games to increase your mining speed. Like you can see there are a lot of games, mini games that you can play. There are also 4 new games that are coming soon, and also you can see the difficulty on every game. Basically when you win a game, your difficulty goes up and the game becomes harder and harder. But that's a good thing, because when it's like, let's say on full difficulty, it's gonna be hard to win. But even though if you don't win or if you don't get a high score, still you will make a lot more than you would make on a difficulty 1. You will gain much more mining power if it's high difficulty. Now what is this bar? Basically this bar shows us our PC level, our computer's level, which mine is right now 3 level and the max level is 4. And for me to reach the 4 level PC, I need to win another 27 games. Here it says PC level reset. Basically, if you don't play any games in the last 24 hours, your PC level will reset to 1. So obviously you need to play at least 1 game every 24 hours. If you don't, your PC goes back to 1 level. Now you might think, does it matter? Yes, it does, because here it says power holding 5 days. Basically this is the power that you gain from the games. So basically if I play this game and I gain 400 power, my PC will hold that power for 5 days. This power. Like you see, this power, it will hold for 5 days. If I have a lower PC, for example 1 level PC, it will hold only for 24 hours. Basically that's how it works. Then there is a marketplace. It's not yet available, but it will be coming soon. I'm not 100% sure, but that's what I think. probably this part will be a part where players can actually sell items themselves. Like on the store, if we go to the parts, it says parts will be removed from the store with the launch of season 4. And by that, I think they wanna change the system a bit, and they want the players actually sell items to another players, like a marketplace where players buy items from other players. Like if I go to my inventory, I can see I have 2 rare funds, 1 common fund and 1 common wire. And I think when the marketplace comes, I think I'm gonna be able to sell these items. And from here you can see you can get parts for free by playing games. So if you play games, you have a chance to drop items. I have dropped 2 rare funds, 1 common fund and 1 common wire. Like I said, I'm not 100% sure that it's gonna be like that, that's just what I think. This is more or less the logic of Rollercoin. Oh, I didn't mention the electricity. So, what is electricity? Basically, if you buy miners, you need electricity so you can run them, so they can mine. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bars, and every bar is equal to 1 day. So if you don't enter the game for 5 days, the electricity will go off and the miners will stop mining. For them to start mining again, you have to come here and click recharge. So basically, you always need to have electricity so your miners can mine. Also from the top left corner, you can go to your wallet, and from here you can see your balance, how much money you have. And let's say like I have some Bitcoin. And with that Bitcoin, let's say I want to buy 1 RLT token. For that, if I have enough Bitcoin, I can change my Bitcoins for RLT token. 1 RLT token equals to 0.000027, and which I don't have that much Bitcoin yet. And to withdraw your money, let's say Bitcoin, you have to come here and click withdraw. And as you can see, minimum withdrawal Bitcoin is 0.0001. So if you reach that amount, you can withdraw your money. And there is no transaction. Like, as you can see, the transaction fee is free. So, that's pretty good. If you want to withdraw Ethereum, you can see transaction fee, Ethereum network fee. It also warns you that it's higher than usual at the moment, but that's basically how you withdraw your money. So if you're playing video games already, why not play this game and earn some extra cryptocurrencies? Some extra money. By the way, in this video here, I try to make money by playing Thetan Arena. And Thetan Arena is actually a game that pays real money. If you want, you can watch that video too. So, see you again in that video. Bye bye.